This is a part 2 of the first series of carrot and beetroot cakes. Stop throwing away your pulp. Now, this is a slower version, so go get a pen and your paper as I walk you through it, because, stop asking the recipe. So we're going to sieve 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, about 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and 2 teaspoons of nutmeg, and whatever other spices you have into your kitchen. Now you're going to break 4 eggs, and you're going to make sure to take out the eyes out of the eggs. Now, this time we are doing the cupcake version, and I also did one in a bread pan, like a bread, beet and carrot bread. To that one, you're going to see how I do it a little bit different. So, you whisk up your eggs and you set it aside. Then you're going to add 9 ounces of oil. Measure that out, and you're going to add it to the egg, and you're going to combine both of them, whisk it up together. Now, if you had tried the other one, the first one, let me know in the comment, because apparently that video went viral and everybody's trying it and asking me for the recipe. Now we're going to add the remainder of our wet ingredients, vanilla, and I just pour. Sometimes for these spices, sometimes I don't always measure them. So just watch and see the estimate of how much I put in it. Then you're going to add that to the sieve flour, the dry ingredients, and you're going to combine that nicely. Use your whisk. It was getting the mixture was getting too much for the whisk, so I went with my wooden spoon. Then I added 1 cup of that frozen. I always have, whenever I make my juice, I always freeze the pulp. So I have this always. So I added 1 cup of that pulp mixture, and also half a cup of milk. If you realize that the batter is still a little bit too stiff, it's not as flowy as that, then you can add some more milk. Then, as I said, this time we're doing the cupcake version. So I added about 1/4 cup each. Use a 1/4 cup measure to add. And to this now, I'm going to do the bread. And this was my fruit that I had soaking in. You know what? Comment if you know what I had that fruit soaking in to give it a boost of flavor. Real island vibe style. That's my little helper as usual, always helping me out. So he's doing the final part where he's going to add it to the bowl while I have my oven preheated at 350 degrees. I just love the color, the pink color of the beets and the carrot. Let that bake for about half an hour, and voila, it's done. Did the testing and it's done. Let it cool, and this did not last very long in this house. My kids, this is a good way of getting the kids to eat their vegetables. And look at that. You have to make sure that you grease. I usually spray the pan. Look how moist that is. And this one was the one that I added the fruits to. So this have a different flavor, island vibes flavor. If you know, you know.